Hey y'all, welcome to my local flavor kitchen right here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. And today we are gonna make a super easy supper. It's simple, saucy penne pasta. First thing we're gonna do is get our water boiling for our penne pasta. Have some salt in here. So you can do this in a skillet or electric skillet. We're gonna start off with probably about a half a cup of olive oil. You're gonna do about 5 to 6 tomatoes. These are the tomatoes that are on the vine, still on the vine. And what I did, I washed them off really good, and then I went ahead and cored the top of them out. I have this electric skillet on just about medium high. So I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna put them face down. There's 6 of them. 6 tomatoes. Now we're gonna do about a 3/4 cup of onion. You can do more if you like more onion. And I'm gonna do some roasted garlic. There's just a little bit left in there, probably a good tablespoon. I'm gonna go ahead and dump the rest of that in there. Now what you're gonna do is put a lid on it. Turn it down about medium, and then we're just gonna let these cook for just a little while, probably about right around 8 to 10 minutes, okay? Right here, I have a couple tablespoons of fresh parsley that I chopped up, and now I'm just gonna grate up some fresh Parmesan. I'm gonna try to get about a cup of that. I don't know if I have enough for a cup, but this is what I have left, and this is what we're gonna use. Oh yeah, a little over a cup. Yes, sir. Have fresh If you have fresh basil, then I would chop up some fresh basil. I don't have any, but I do have this dried basil, so I'm gonna use it. Penne. 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 I think that's how you say it. Our water is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this pasta in our water and get it cooking. It says it's gonna take about 11 minutes. Okay, y'all, I think this is ready because I can see the skin splitting on the tomato. So it's been about around 8 minutes, and I can see that skin splitting. See that splitting right there? Now for my next trick, we're gonna take the skins off of these tomatoes. They should peel right off. I'll be darned. Just start pinching it. Look at that, it's coming right off. Oh my gosh, I love it when things work out for me. This is great. Now I'll just go put these in my compost. Not really. They're going in the trash. All right, I'm gonna turn the fire back up. Now we are gonna add our fresh parsley, our basil. Let's do a couple of tablespoons of basil as well. Oh yeah, that smells so good. A little salt and pepper. And now what you're gonna do is take, let's see, I think I'll use this. This is my mix and chop from Pampered Chef. Just keep on chopping. I might have to move over to my potato masher. I was gonna use a potato masher. I'm just gonna see which one probably works best. Let's try them both. See what's better. Oh, the potato masher by far. Yeah, that's nice. All right. Now we're gonna add a small can of tomato paste. I'm gonna get that opened up. Let's get all of that out of there. That mixed in. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream and our 1 cup of Parmesan. I took a little bit out so that I could put it on top. Get that mixed in really good. That is so pretty, and it's gonna be delicious. The pasta's done. Time for a little facial. I'm just gonna pop this right back into my pan, and I'm gonna put a little butter and salt and pepper in. A little pepper, a little salt. Once your cheese is all melted in there, we're gonna add our pasta, penne pasta. Get those all coated really good. Put a little Parmesan on top. Y'all, That's delicious. Home run. Y'all remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today. We'll see ya.